So watercolor, the way watercolor works is you can come back to it later and continue what you started, unlike acrylic. I mean, acrylic, everything is like that, but acrylic, you have to know how to come back with layers of similar colors because it will be dead dry within minutes. And watercolor is not like that. So that's kind of an advantage. It's not really advantage or disadvantage. It's just different mediums.
What are they, gas?
I'm doing a tape. I'm taping. That's okay. What was the question?
The
Jaws, yeah. Jaws is on. Anything you want. I don't care. I just want you to be happy while I work. Jaws is about a shark. So I'm at Lady Friend Mercury, and she keeps me company while I work. She's a beautiful companion for me, and I hope I'm an okay companion for her. What do you think, Mercury?
That's okay.
Okay. I hope I'm okay for you, too, because I'm very happy with you. You like it, that?
Yes.
I don't think so. You give me dirty look. I don't know. We're just friends. Friends who are dating. Okay? Okay. Oh, that's a devil baby? Is that a devil baby?
I got a mistake.
Oh. Look how beautiful. Now, I'm not going to leave. I'm going to put leaves, basically. And then we're going to, not yet. So, we're going to do somewhat of the same thing. We're going to incorporate some of this yellow now, which means I have to decide between red and blue or I'm going to get mud. Or you might get a greenish brown. That might be okay because it's kind of a parakeet kind of color. And interesting, the things that happen. So interesting. A lot of interesting things happen when you turn it around. It was kind of like what we're doing on purpose because when you turn the picture around and around, you get interesting things happening.
Oh, we know.
And Mercury's in the background talking about the television, right, Mercury?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we turn it around so you can kind of see what's happening, although this is going to be one of those that I do that works horizontally and then upside down horizontally, then vertically, and then upside down vertically from all four. So almost quadrimetrical, to be continued. What day is it today, Mercury?
May 4th.
May 3rd, Saturday, right?
Yeah.
3rd or 4th? Is it the 4th? We'll check on that, but I know it's 2025.
No, 3.
May 3rd.
May.
May 3rd, 2025. To be continued.